In the name of Allah, hi everyone, today I want to show you in this video how to image to word conversion online free. Step by step learning. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates and press the bell icon. Alright, let's jump on the PC. Welcome Afghan Word Education YouTube channel.
Let's say you have an image and you want to image to word converter online free. So to convert the image to word, just click the link in the description. First open the site. This is the site which will help us image to Word document converter online. So click select file and then select the image which you want and click open. And here select the Microsoft Word document format. And here click convert. And here a few seconds wait image to Word converter online free. As you can see automatic download. The file will be downloaded to your computer. Now if you open it. And here you can see we have get the Microsoft Word document. This is how to image to Word converter online free. It's a very easy way. Catch you next video. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.